Yes, my dear students, now the types of unit cell and calculation of the particles. When he will use the word particles, now particles, particularly in solid state, stand for atoms, sphere, ion, electron, neutron, or any entity. Do not gather from this one. Now, types of unit cell is divided in two types. Number one is primitive unit cell. See its shape and number of particles, means that atoms. Number one, primitive cells are those where atoms or particles, whatsoever it is, electron, ion, proton, neutron, atoms are at the corners, is called primitive, means that old type, and we will draw in this way. Take the unit cell and draw these unit cells. Now show the atoms or any particle entity at the corner. Now do the calculation. One cell is attached with 8 another cell. So this one part is attaching with 8 cells, and in one cell these 1 by 8 are 8. So number of particles at the corner of the cell or in the primitive cell is equal to 1 by 8. And how many are these? 8. So it comes to you 1. Please be careful, take care of this one. Now come the next advanced cell. Advanced cells are three types. Number one is face centered cubic, also equal to the square close packing. Then come body centered cubic. Then come end centered cubic. Now in the next page we will draw their diagram, and that is last for today also. Face centered cells. In this cell, particles are present at the corners also, as well as you see that you're drawing the unit cell and representing the particles at the corner. These are coming what? 8 into 8 by 1. 8 multiply 1 by 8, it comes to 1. Plus, in face center, there are 6 faces. Left, right, top, bottom, that side, reverse side. Left, right of a room, roof and floor also, that is coming. Yes guys, you see that in face central cells there are 6 phases also, and phases will be divided by half, because half will come in that side and half will come in our side. So 1 plus 3 always coming to 4. You please learn that number of atom in FCC will always come 4, and in BCC as you are watching, 8 multiply 1 by 8 comes to you 1, plus here is 1 atom in the center of body that is not dividing. So 1 plus 1, it gives to you 2. The number of atom in BCC, this is important, 2. Now come in the end centered cell. That end centered cell, first you draw 1 unit cell. and you see that number of atoms are present at the corners as usual, because these are advanced cell now. Number of atoms are present also instead of corner at some other point also. In end center cells, atoms are present at the any two faces. Suppose that I'll take this and this. So number of atom is coming what? 8 multiply 1 by 8, it comes to you 1, plus 2 faces, 2 divided by half, because faces always share 1. 1 plus 1, it gives to you 2. So in end center cell, there is always atom, number of atom is coming 2. Now the question will come on this, and you have to face the questions, and he will simply say you that atoms are present at corner, and be careful when you are doing the face center cell. If he will say that atom are at face center, at face center, then you take 3. If he will say that FCC cell, then you take 4, and definitely you put mistake number of lines. If he will say that FCC cell, then number of atom 4. If he will say that atoms are at the face center, then please take 3. Thank you very much, guys. Next we will coming in the taking efficiency in the next class. Till then, goodbye.